In this video, I'm going to attempt to make a brick building. Now, I tend to hold off to make brick buildings until I'm further along in my city, just because I'm constantly doing little erase marks from all the stuff I've made, and bricks is a fine detailed thing, and once you have it in there, you really don't want to do a whole bunch of erase marks on it. So I'm going to do for building number 5 here, that's at one of our intersecting buildings right here. I'm going to throw in a few lines. So I'm going to make a few dots on the side here saying where my bricks are going to go to. Okay, now I'm just going to deal with the right side, so I'm going to go to the right vanishing point right now, and hopefully you can see this. So right vanishing point, drawing line, line, go to my next dot, right vanishing point, line, line, go to my next dot, copy, paste, and do it again, finding next dot, aligning, lining, find next dot, align time, find next dot, and last but not least, lining. Okay, I feel like I need one more. This one's going to be thinner. Part of it's just cropped off. The roof happened. Some stuff, different stuff happened. Okay, so I'm going to darken my edge for the windows. And sorry, on the screen you're seeing it sideways for a second. Okay, so I want to darken that edge so I don't get messed up with the craziness that's going on there. Now, you don't have to have a brick on both sides. Sometimes buildings will have a billboard, or maybe the one side had like a stucco or some type of texture done to it to where the brick isn't exposed. But I'm just going to go where all my ends are, and how about I start at the bottom one and draw around the details of the street light. Sliding up, do the next one. Sliding up, don't have to do that one. Don't have to do that one. Sometimes they will intersect with other things you have going on, so you just skip that area. And last but not least, boom. So we have all of our horizontal lines done. So this, I'm going to hold off on using a ruler, and I'm just going to freehand it, but this is how I would go about freehanding it. And the only reason I'm showing this demonstration of making bricks, even though you probably have some experience having done this in previous years, but it's just a refresher for some people, and everybody does it their own way, no big deal. So I'm just going to start on the far right and skip every other one and try to replicate it going down. The thing about bricks that are kind of fun is usually they don't have a perfect clean edge, and so it will look pretty tidied up. But if you want it to be, man, have that perfect clean edge, then definitely use a ruler. But I'm just freehanding it and just skipping every other one. And the reason why I said A-B pattern is I'm saying it A-B, A-B. It's just every other. And then on the next column that you'll do, just scooch over and go on opposite lines. So now it's going to start on line 2, skip line 3. It start on line 4 and then skip that, but I have a window that lines up, so I don't have to do it until I get down that far. Okay, so now I'm going to slide over, copy, paste, and now slowly slide over, copy, paste, pasty. No, my number 5 got cut into. I'm so sorry, number 5. So now at this point, I'm going to just go down the building and just draw a line backward, 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 and then just draw a line in between. A line in between, line in between. Skipping around the windows. Now I can find where my corresponding one was above to draw the ones down below. And you might have your own method, and maybe you were like, meh, this video was not helpful, thank you for wasting my time. In that case, I apologize. I'm so sorry. I really didn't mean to. Alright. So, with that being said, you pretty much have that entire front of the brick done, and now you would copy and paste it and do it to the other side. Thanks for watching.